Choose a niche in which you will create content, but narrow it down to something more specific. Then write down 50 video ideas on a piece of paper and highlight the ones that you would click on if you are 50% less interested in the topic and that are not already on YouTube. Those ideas will be the ideas you will use. Then start writing a script. Pay close attention to the hook, focusing on the key point I am going to mention right now. Beliefs, desires, fears, pains, and suspicions of your targeted audience. Besides this, just be 10 times more yourself. Then set up your camera or microphone and hit record. Record 3 times. Afterwards, open your editing software. Here you are going to do the editing style of your niche, so you don't end up with Mr. Beast style of video editing in an abandoned island aimed at grabbing attention. Once you have completed everything, watch the video 2 times and then go to sleep. Only after you have had a good night rest should you brainstorm titles, either drawing inspiration from other niches or coming up with your own. The title needs to promise something impactful that indeed happened in the video, and the same rule applies for thumbnails, but don't be a copycat. Keep them as simple as possible, then hit upload and repeat this process once or twice a week. Additionally, whenever a video about storytelling, SEO, video editing, script writing, or YouTube advice appears on your main page, click on it and watch it. This will fill your YouTube feed with useful advice instead of garbage that you do not need.